Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Reminders is active in iCloud and notifications are permitted. Open Settings and confirm you're signed in, then toggle Reminders under iCloud. Once done, go to Settings, Notifications, Reminders, and turn on Allow Notifications and Lock Screen. Set alert style to banners or alerts so reminders can appear visibly. Make sure sounds and badges are enabled. This ensures reminder alerts aren't silenced before they reach the lock screen. Now tailor individual reminders so they will trigger on the lock screen. Open Reminders, select a list, tap the three dots or a reminder and choose Edit. Add a date and time using Remind Me on a day and at a time so iOS schedules a visible alert. If relevant, enable location reminders for lock screen triggers when arriving or leaving. Choose priority and repeat so alerts persist. Once set, notifications created with times will be delivered to the lock. Finish by ensuring the lock screen will actually display those notifications. Open Settings Focus and either turn off active focus modes or add reminders to allowed apps so alerts pass through. Then verify Face ID and attention-aware features aren't suppressing notifications. Check Settings Face ID and passcode and disable any hide notifications options if needed. If reminders still don't show, restart your iPhone, update iOS, and confirm Reminders isn't in Notification Summary. These steps resolve most notification delivery issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.